Hello everyone, welcome to part 86 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. And in this video, we are going to display featured products at the home page. In the earlier videos, we able to display the new Laravel products, best sellers, discounted products, and the last one, the featured products. So we are going to show the featured products here. Whatever featured products the admin will decide. Okay, so we already having the feature products module at the admin end, means the feature products the admin can able to mark from the admin panel. Here you can see featured item is already there. We have created this by default because many of the e-commerce website is having the featured product section. Okay, the admin can mark it as yes or no, and if the product is marked as yes, means if the product is checked from the admin panel, then we are going to show it as the featured product. And we are displaying the bestseller, discounter, feature products also, we are going to show in the random order, means every time new products will be shown. Okay, so let's work on the feature products right now. Okay, so earlier files, I'm going to close these files, though we are going to work on these files once again. Okay, so I'm going to open the index controller, and here like we are getting see it will be same like new levels. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this one, and it is sorry, not new levels, in fact bestsellers. It is same like bestseller. I'm going to copy this one, and here I'm going to write get featured products. Okay, it will save lot of our time. And here as well, I'm going to make it like the featured products, and only thing that will differ here is underscore featured, and rest everything will remain the same. Here make sure the spellings are correct, and here it is the is underscore featured, yes or no, and that condition we need to add here is underscore featured equal to yes, that is fine. Okay, so these feature products we are going to return to the home page like this. Simple thing. Featured products, we have attached the brand as well as images. These relations we have created in the earlier videos with the product, so that we can get the complete data of the product along with the brand as well as images that we want to show at the home page. And the another one, this condition, this is the main condition, is featured must be yes and status must be 1. And in random order we are going to display every time it will show the new products, means new feature products. Okay, so limit is 4. At once we need to show only 4 products, and we have converted it to array as well. And this one feature products array we have returned to the index.blade file. So the one last thing that we are going to do, we are going to update the index.blade file with the feature products like we have earlier done with the other arrays. New levels we have done, bestsellers we have done, discounted products we have done, and lastly we are going to update for the feature products. And here you can see feature products, feature products, feature products, feature products. See 4 feature products, 4 div of feature products. We are going to remove the 3 divs, and we are going to add the for each loop for the feature products, and going to end here and for each. Okay, and here we are going to add the feature products array. This one is the array. I'm going to copy this one and we'll paste up here. And here the inner part we need to update, and here the inner part we are going to update, and we'll paste it here like this. Okay, and now we are going to check out that there is any feature products or not. I'm going to click on feature products, and we'll see there are 3 feature products. Okay, so I'm going to add one of the feature product that is having the image, so that to verify that it is working fine or not. These last products are having images, so I'm going to check it feature as well, and click on submit, and there must be one feature product. And let's see, I'm going to refresh it, and we'll go to the feature products. Yes, this red t-shirt is now the featured as well. And every time, see it its order will keep on updating, because we have displayed it in random order, and you can see the now the red t-shirt have come up at the first position. Okay, so like this I am going to add one more feature product, like this 16th product id is also having the image, so I'm going to add it as the feature product. So I'm going to refresh it, once again home page, and we'll go to the feature products, but this time it is not showing. Once again I'm going to refresh and we'll see. Yes, this time it is showing, because see, uh, we are displaying these products at the random order, so it may come or may not come. Okay, so every time new products will come, their order will change. So it is the benefit of the random display when you are going to show some limited products like this. Okay, so our home page is almost complete. You can see we able to display this navigation bar, these header menu items are coming correctly from the admin panel, and these banners, these slider banners are coming from the admin panel as well. We can add the links as well as the titles, and these fixed banners are coming from the admin panel as well. Okay, and now these sections are also coming from the admin panel. Here, if you will click on all, it will display all the items that we are displaying in new Rebels, bestseller, discounted products, feature products. Okay, so and see, uh, this module is optional. If you want to display, either you can display it like this, or you can display it like this, new Revel, featured. Okay, like this. Oh, so it's your wish, but we are going to remove these one because we have already displayed here. So now we are not required to display in these modules, but everything will remain the same. The same for each loop you can add for these one. If you want to, remove this one, then you can remove this one, and you can add all four modules like this, new Revel, feature products. Okay, so it's one and the same thing. For new Revel products, if we want to display, I can display it for you. Just the thing is, like for each loop we need to add, like this one is the for each loop. Okay, here get up for new Revel products. So these are the new Revel products, and this loop we just require to check that where we are required to these here we are required to add these loops. Okay, so here you can see. Yes, okay, you can see these one, but here it's also having the slider, so this is the advantage. Okay, these modules are having the sliders. Okay, like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this array here as well, and here and for each I'm going to add, and for each make sure its internal div structure must be same, so that we can copy from there. So I'm going to remove everything else, and here I am going to see, like its internal structure must be same of that, so that we can copy. Otherwise we can't copy. We can, then we are required to uh, like this one. I'm going to check it like div class product or hover on, and div class. Okay, so we can try it once. I'm going to paste it like this, and let's see whether it will work here or not. And for new Revel products, I'm going to check it here you can see it's working fine. It seems to be working fine. Here there are four we have displayed, so that's why the four are coming here. That's why this this arrow is not coming, but its arrow will come for the feature products. Let's do it for the feature products as well. Okay, so this one uh, is fine for new Revel, because we are only showing last four products, but now we are going to display for the featured products as well. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the feature products array. Here it is, feature products, and let's see. uh, let's do it for the feature products, and here also we are going to close this one, and we are going to remove the extra divs. Okay, we will just keep it here like this. Okay, and here we are going to end for each. Now internal content will remain the same. Okay, like this one, copy this one, and we are going to paste inside this, like this one. So now we are going to test it with the feature products, that also we are converted to the dynamic. So there are four feature products. I'm going to add few more now. Let's add this 15th one, so that slider will also come up automatically. So this one also I'm going to add it as the feature. Let's see, now the slider must come Now let's see. Here this slider is still not coming, because actually the thing is that we are displaying here the limit as 4. So if we are going to display the limit as 5, then we are going to have this ladder, and here you can see this ladder is not coming because we are now displaying the 5 items. Okay, so here also if you will click on featured item, you are going to see the 5 items come up here as well. Okay, so like this we can able to we can also update the items if you want, like we can display the featured items, 8 items for the featured items and 8 for the new Laravel products. Okay, so it means that it's going to show the 8 items at both the modules. Like new Laravel products, you can see the 8 items are coming for the new Laravels, and 8 items must come for the featured item, because we have added just 6 products as featured items, so it is showing 6, otherwise it will show the 8 at the maximum. Okay, so here also you can see now there are more new Laravel products. You can see slider, how the slider is working. It is showing the 8 products, and here as well the feature products will also be shown like this. Okay, so if you want to keep all the modules, you can keep. If you want to remove like one of the modules, you can remove, it's your choice. Okay, now our home page is almost complete. In the next video we will start working on the listing page. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, and also do subscribe as well as join the channel, please. You can open the channel youtube.com stack developers, and you can always subscribe the channel for more Laravel updates, and always join the channel to get the complete source code as well as the support. Okay, so you can always subscribe as well as join the channel. So if you have any queries, you can surely contact me. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.